Hi everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. Today in this video I will explain you about if your mic is having any issue or your mic is not working of your MI11i and MI11i hypercharge. You can solve it by the method as I am showing. Firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. If your MI11i or MI11i hypercharge is having any issue regarding the mic, you can solve it by the method as I am showing. Just watch complete video and follow the steps as I'm showing in the video. Let's watch.